Welcome, friends, to this guided meditation using color. I'm so happy that you are joining me and taking this time for yourself. Today we will be using the color green to help us relax and calm our minds. Please find a place where you can sit and be comfortable. Be sure you can sit with your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Bring your palms together for one deep breath as you find your center, and make sure you are not leaning to one side or the other. Then rest your hands on your lap, or you can try touching your thumb to your middle finger on each hand. And then rest your hands, palms up, on your knees. When you are ready, you can close your eyes or use the imagery on the screen to help you visualize. Meditating with the color green can be very relaxing and help ease any anxiety that you might be experiencing. It can also be a refreshing color, like when you are out in nature. It is grounding and calming, and with meditation may even help balance your blood pressure and boost your immune system. Now let's begin. Keeping your shoulders relaxed and your back straight, take 3 deep breaths in through your nose. Hold each one for a moment and then breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. And one more time, deep breath in, hold, and breathe out. Good. Now close your mouth and breathe naturally through your nose. Find your own natural rhythm and notice how the air feels when you breathe in and again as you breathe out. Each time you take a breath, focus on relaxing a different part of your body, starting with your face and moving down through your body. Just allow each breath to fill you up and wash away any tension or discomfort that you might feel as you breathe out. Let's take a moment of gratitude. Begin with thanking yourself for taking this time for meditation. And then for other things that you are thankful for. Whatever it is, no matter how big or small, when you take a moment to be thankful, you are inviting more good things into your life. And now, let's begin to focus on the color green. In nature, green is abundant in so many different varieties. Between the trees and the grass and all the various plants, green comes in so many tints and shades. It can represent life, renewal, growth, and abundance. Green in nature is also calming and can ease anxiety and stress. When we are out in nature, green can also be refreshing and healing, allowing us to balance our blood pressure, improve our oxygen intake, and release endorphins. Now imagine gathering up all that green and forming a ball of energy in front of you. Imagine that there is a light growing from within that ball of energy, showing many different shades and tints of green. Feel how soothing that green light is and how it refreshes you as it grows and surrounds you and hugs you, making you feel secure. Allow yourself to become part of the green light. Feel the energy touching you from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Take some time and let that green light refresh your muscles that feel tired. Let that green energy soothe and cool any aches or pains in your body, and bring a healing touch to wherever you need it. Now take a deep breath and allow the green light to absorb into you. In through your head and gently flowing down and throughout your body, bringing relaxation to where you might still feel tension, bringing comfort where you feel discomfort. Imagine that light radiating into all parts of your body. Let's take some time to enjoy those feelings of contentment, relaxation. Let it refresh you and heal you with a cool and soothing touch. And now, it's time to bring yourself back to where you are sitting, feeling refreshed, calm, and relaxed. Slowly open your eyes, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and stretch your arms and legs. Keep that green light with you. Let it heal you, refresh you, calm you whenever you need it throughout your day. Thank you for joining me today, and may peace and love go with you.